Yo, yo, welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show. Yo YouTube. Yo YouTube, what is good? Welcome back to another video. It is Zero to Hero Investing. It's 8:21 a.m. on Saturday, November 30, and this is a portfolio update. It's been about 2 weeks since I've made one of these videos, so this is I think a considerable jump from the last video I had. I honestly don't remember, but the portfolio is now over $25,000. Really nice. It's sitting exactly at $25,579.11 on the day, which would have been yesterday. We were up 0.75% in the day, then about 0.08 after hours. On the week, we're up 1.37% on the month, 4.8 in the green. In 3 month chart, we're up 6.26%. Year to date, up 10.71%. 1 year, 12.81%. And all time, we're up 2.22%. We're finally officially in the green. Of course, officially, unofficially, this could all be different on Monday. But for now, we're enjoying it. We're doing what we think is the right thing to do. Just continue buying stocks, DCAing into the positions we have, and should be smooth sailing from there for the most part. So yeah, I've never shown this before. Probably won't show it again. Honestly, just keep it moving. Buying power though, $125. That's really just money there to support my credit spreads, which hopefully then generate income to support my recurring buys on the stocks that I use strictly buying power for. I got kind of a system here and it seems to be working, so let's see. um and next we've got options. We only have one option here. It is a credit spread on the SPY. SPY has had such a long run. Of course it can still keep going, but I let's see, maybe 605 will be, maybe we'll go past it next week, but eventually cool back down again and come below 605 by Friday close. I'm trying a little strategy like that. I wanted to pull back a little bit Monday, Tuesday, then I can enter the put side of the spread and kind of protect myself, I guess, in a sense. And overall, I just want to have a net positive trade with the $100 I'm using for spreads. So, in our stocks though, stocks and ETFs, we have SPY at the top here, 6.08 shares. We're up around 17.5% on SPY. SCHD almost 87 shares, up around 10-11%. QQQ almost 4 shares, up around 4%, 4.25%. Tesla 4.2069 shares, and you can see that's just a tremendous return. What was Tesla doing a year ago? I don't know. Tesla's just a different beast. Microsoft 2.88 shares, up around 13.3% there. SPY Growth ETF around 16% in the green. Ford down in that position, 3%. Realty Income down as well, 4.21% in that position. Costco, we have one share of Costco. We're up 21% in that, and that equates to around $168.69. McDonald's 3.3 shares, up 3.8% overall. Amazon 3.5 shares, up around 17%, 17.6%, and same story with Visa, but 2 shares, up around 17.5% there. Johnson & Johnson J&J, we are down again in this position, 4.10 shares, but we're down, let's say we're break even, we're down less than $10. JEPQ, just really, really nice buy in my portfolio. I think we've only gotten one dividend payment so far, but as a strong dividend payer that also, is giving us positive returns, like what more can I ask for? Really. Home Depot 1.34 shares, up finally up in Home Depot. We're almost 6%. That might all change for sure, though. Rocket Lab, we have a 24.24 position or shares in that position, and we're up around 46%. Broke the $200 mark. Really happy I started that position in this company, and I know it's very, very, very early days. It's very, very, very early days. I'm happy to have started the position. Now I, you know, not praying for it, but really, if I do go in the red, such a great opportunity to buy a lot more shares. But for now, we're just going with what we have. Chevron, we have 3.35 shares of that, up around 21.5% in Chevron. General Mills, 8.05 shares, down in that position. However, they're almost 2% down. AbbVie, 2.78 shares, up around 6 and 2/3%, around $30. Nothing crazy. Target, which saw a nasty dip the last whenever. We have 4.04 shares, down almost 3%. SMH down a little bit under 2% with our 1.81 shares. We have Coke. Honestly, guys, I'm thinking about selling out a Coke, just buying SCHD. I don't know. Such a slow mover, you know? 6.9 shares. Oh, we have a 3% return in the years we've owned Coke. I mean, of course, we've been buying since then, but wow. Verizon, 9.5 shares, up around 10% in that. And Verizon, nice comeback. I think it had a good dip the last few weeks, and I did notice that and kind of amped up my buys a little bit. So I'm happy I did that. Next, we have Main, 7.65 shares, up around 16% in Main. JP Morgan Chase, 1.69 shares, up around 13%, 12.65%. IAT, with our 7 shares, we're up 22%. American Electric Power, 4 shares, up around 12%. And finally, we have O'Reilly. We have under 0.24 of a share, and we're up 13%, about $33.50. Our recurring buys, we have O'Reilly, $2 a day, and our next $2 a day buy is on Target, just because they had their really bad earnings, and I was now in the red with that position, so I figured I'd just throw $10 a week passively into it, and just let it do its thing. And then of course we have our other recurring buys: SpyG, Spy, SCHD, Rocket Lab, and QQQ. Like I said, I like the system I have going. Everything except for Target and O'Reilly are just from my bank account. And then Target and O'Reilly, those I want to use my credit spreads income here to generate money to cover these purchases. So pretty much I want to generate at least $20 a week from selling credit spreads. Call it. That's all I need. So this is a very like heavy. This is not a conservative credit spread at all. But I mean, if I can do this, why not? And then it also doesn't have to go to expiry, and I'm also protecting it on the other side too. So, yeah, kind of aggressive here. Yikes. Anywho, that is it, at least for this view. So let's look at it over here. Just at the pie chart, we have really pretty much all of our money invested. It says 225 here. That is the 125 I have plus my options collateral, I guess. So 99% of the money over that is invested. And then just looking at our sectors over here, or pies. Tesla is still the fourth largest holding in the portfolio. SPY G, it's coming up. We buy what, like $7 a day of SPY G. It's gonna take a while. Tesla can always start pulling back. I mean, the whole market can pull back. Whatever can happen. Microsoft is there as well. Ford is still hanging up there. Wow. Rocket Lab is climbing so quickly. We have $666 equity in Rocket Lab. Is wild. Just wanted to look at that. Nothing super exciting, in my opinion. O'Reilly, I mean, now you can kind of see the divisions between these, and it's nice. O'Reilly will be the smallest holding for a while because it's on recurring buys. So, IAT still under $400 there, so close. Same here, and then everything else should be over 400. So we're doing well, I think. So just continue doing what we're doing. Should be dropping a new video on my dividends for this month, and also just on Sunday my planned buys, or what am I planning to buy next week. So if you want to find that out, like, subscribe, you'll see the videos. Until then, peace.